rituko bono Frida Kirbo nigari
asore negetaseni kia Ndizi TV kera litukolia Alamisi ensa mone nusu ya marogoba astogotalera abontereri imenesiko yorogongoro Gusii twasangana barabu esabali yabo ase oboyonchuleria ngaiba chakerete mbitambukiro kiba imukiri asokwene kibunangu kini bare obonchurere bwabo nabo igokwa igendereria ase kera lituko
Umerana nere kira rituko lya Alamisi enseye munenusu ya marogoba na boigo mwiroro rituko lya Jumatatu Chinsa isano neibere cia mugaso asumurubiriyo wesabaria yobonjoria ime ya Ndizi TV. Spexels Opticians abubale si kliniki kia gudika ime yomu chukisi mkuru wabare obokoreri ao asamangana ya maiso nako nibirole magiga yogo korenga na kumanyumu chandu.
Kwa majina naitwa Daktari Sigei, karibuni sana Spexels Opticians Kisii Town. Hapa tunapima macho tukitumia mashine za kiteknolojia za kisasa bila malipo. Tunauza miwani, frames na lenses tofauti na tunakubali kadi za bima.
Chiframe guchakira chishilingi chimia isano neiseto nemerongitano na boige settingima ase chishilingi elweyemo nechimia isano ase ofa babuate etaraera.
Milango yetu iko wazi kutoka Jumatatu mpaka Ijumaa kutoka saa 2:30 mpaka saa 11 jioni na pia Jumamosi kutoka saa 2:30 mpaka saa 10 jioni.
Nigo bare angene supermarket ya Shivling na KCB Bank imeyomu chukisi na boko bakire simi ase namba enoti eyemo enoti isano marakabire enoti eyemo. Spexels Opticians, Goodka Clinic, macho bora kwa wote. Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'Gusii. Ekerole asumu chibuogembo nechise muchietana ine eduka ya Mark Electricals Wholesale yere registered contractor nigeko ni achi floodlights chonsi distribution box chikebo chonsi chia wiring cable dropping cables ni chindi chinyige mbabwate power extensions sockets switches chimita boxes lamp holders, insulating tapes, conduit pipes, showers, testers, pliers, earth rods, solar monitoring lamps, solar floodlights, CCTV cameras, TV wall brackets, main switches, cutouts, circuit breakers, consumer unit, snake lights, cable ties, changeover switches, nebiobu byonsi, goikabire bya fluorescent tubes, TV aerials, cooking electrical coil, natural gas burner. Banyore imeyumu chibuogembo ange ne stage asegeteseni yokobekira chigali amaguta ya mko. Gosoba keresime ase namba enotisano na ibere isano niseto isato eyemo kianda isano inye gose enotisano na ibere isano na iseto ibere maragatato eyemo isano na isato. Mark Electricals Wholesale asobo koreli burange na sore.
Mwanchumu ligere bono shara gire Chinsa Isato bono margobenga kingo kwaligania SMS ya mangana maya nyara wokumanyigati ya leto abereto kwaligania kurwa semambia yalenge ntambe goika Chinsa chigono bono margoba litukunele Jumatano ekira bono stariki merongebere neje mu mutunyo gatana limo omwaka bwechiri bubere na merongebere netatu na manga bereka okolekana ayo seri bongo chiko hosansamurane na kukumanyibuna abaliki baitobere bako yasangiria akurwa chinkongo chonsi ime naisiko yorogongo urwa Gusii yiro mwanchumu ligere na bokondra gotobwati ya gwetena nsemeli ya mtandao nsemu ya Facebook Ndizi TV News the Digital na bwege nsemeli ya YouTube na bokotena una Ndizi TV News litanganike gima tuna mangana juo asinchira yuko ya chuta
keroka gari abantu banyamira n'abantu baito abantu ba Kisii n'abaito ntosuka yatuwa mwenga twasukire na Kisii twasukire mayi kibesa bago sangirira ali no boy bibuye
Oko ngusana na kuroveru wa keroka niko kogendrete kwane kiguo mugavana bwe county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati otevire mbaba tigera keroka mbarochi na kichibese chie county ya Nyamira chigotumeka
Bwana Simbarati ochagere gutumika abana bodaboda bobe ekiagara bono otigire kanjo bali babonete ko sangiririe bango ya Kisii County osoire gutumika bodaboda leaders ba bodaboda otonere bino ntu bodaboda
abana bodaboda niko bamuchiri umugavana bwe county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati asogotumika abana bodaboda sinchira etabwenereti.
I will therefore allow the Cabinet Secretary to proceed to respond to the question as asked by Senator for Marsabit, Senator Mohamed Chute.
Aba Senator kurwa sensemo yazimio wani Kenya niko basoka kurwa senatiri tukuriarira na gotige EBIIKARO bigendrete na sekiko seto kumanye. Asayomo nenda mange saranse kinkumanya senchira yoboye kiranu ulito kubwatirana era gwetera somono bwimanyiriyo igakoroko Auta iritirana nkoroko Vincent Onyancha emesa yamangana maya chinze satochi abona butuko mwancho muligere gotoko chaka anene kurwase county ya Nyamira ebyombe kubwatirana na serikali ya county ya Nyamira anase kyombe kemanye kentuna zipline ni gobona bacha kyumuroboli benne bokubwatoka amalyo gwetera se gotumia drone ekibono chiko nyara kubwatoka amalyo goje Chinsa omoje gokolekana semo cheche bungombe eyo gotoka se wodi yesise ase bunge ijabura bumiye county yo omugavana we county ya Nyamira Mosi Nyaribo asomoje gabuli tukuliara ni gacha kyabene nsemo yo kuyibolera anene asoko nyara gosira abangana n'abasubati bali bebwatera netien nigo chinga cyabate abuno moroboli bo kubwatoka amalyo gotumia drone nigo rakonyene asobwango asensemo yo gosira anene ekero amanyinga aganiri omulikito kurose county ya Nyamira jobuma angina roboti rwa senchera yo
Goyaba omochengo omonene asense moyaria ng'ombe egotoka ebunge aborabu county ya Nyamira maga serikali ya county ya Nyamira bakobwaterana ne kampuni ya Zipline bachakia omoroberio bogosomba amalyogo utumika drone usechi ndege kitabwati abarundi Kago kwana ensemeyo omugavana bwe county Nyamira Amos Nyaribo nateba teknolojia ye nechikorobya na gusira sector y'obochenu.
Tuliona hii Rwanda inafanya kazi mzuri sana na walikuwa wamefanya hiyo kazi siku mingi, kwa sababu unaweza pata mama anapata mtoto hapa lakini blood group yake nakosa, hakuna Gechauli, hakuna Nyamira. So ndio tunaweka drone inachukua 55 minutes kutoka Chemiri inaleta damu hapa, mtu anaokolewa.
asebo igo akwanira emeroverio abegete aseng'encho koreta amagenderero asti sekta buno boremi obosombi na magenderero ande.
Tutainua artificial insemination, ile pools zote ziko kwa miji zitatolewa karibuni au zitawekwa makazi, ndio tuimprove breed ya ng'ombe. Kuchukua wanafunzi 48 kwa wiki tatu tunawasomesa ile ya kupata ajira ya nje.
Ensemo waziri w'obochenu Timothy Ombati nateba teknolojia eye nechigokonya goikia amaliogo aschinsemo chire atambe nase amaliogo akogachua.
Rero na gokirenga twa launchiri umuchakana bwo kubwatana gatia ito na zipline inde batokonyo go drop amaliogaya in facilities cheito sometimes to koganinga goikega dieto ke monterbato ke and all these things banyare goikia amalioga sa wento week.
Ensemo yaye omobisa omonene kurwase kampuni ya Zipline nateba teknolojia ye nechigokonya asoko gacha amaliogo nabo igogosomba amaliogo utiastinsemo ao ashinga kichinke anene mono ekera amalioga ya aganeirike mubasokano.
They have challenges of storage. So you find that some facilities cannot even store blood, they cannot store vaccines, and this is because they have challenges of storage, whether it's electricity, whether it's even the gadgets themselves, let's say the fridges. So we support them in that, strengthening the health system in that regard. So you can imagine if it's 100 kilometers on air, by road, we are saying we can reach Kakamega, we can by road where it's far like Kakamega, Homa Bay, we can reach there at a maximum of 45 minutes. The farthest place, Chepngombe being one of them. So we're able to go faster than any other road transport that is available.
Enseme abamenyi baikirana enseme yo mbachengera egetambo keriokyo na gusaba serikali kugendera koleta amagenderero ayara chigonchereria amagimabo.
Bono twale ukuburi kwa twale ukuburia nga enyagitari yogendo sugumake usugume enyagitari na itonyorele level 4 hospital enyagitari enere nkora settlement scheme ngima.
Ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV kurwase kaunti Nyamira Job Maangi.
Mbiyamuno omulikito kurase county ya Nyamira Job Maangi hasaro bote rwase nchira yobo ikirano gotigana yubono mwancho muligerelia omo governor we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati litukoli ya rani ya koletara ya Chinsa mochiri chia monyerero asana kago sangana amenye kurwase nseme yu anasate ya una bagendre gotuga etugo ane chombe chibono chiranyare kubakonya so kunyara GOKINIA amangana rengetiri sari ya mabere okwana kuro Chinsa mechibo igo ARATI ni ganyara kumulikirana gokwanda nerengete orobero rwa keroka urubonogendrete kubuno gati ya county ya Nyamira nabo igone county ya Kisii ARATI okwana kuro Chinsa mechini gati ya bune county ya Kisii ni basewe sokya kurwa asensemeyo county ya Nyamira nigora ya rokane gutatumeka chibesa chia yabya anase bangeliwa iribago sangereria kurwa asechire yo ya keroka ARATI ni gati berebuna county ya Kisii teligochie kubatigara county ya Nyamira nsemo ya keroka kolende ni gati berebuna abuna kolengana nsemelyo gwata chimbebe ya tete ni gensemera tigare boigom eliye tigarete asensemo ya Kisii tigare koba asensemo ya Kisii ni eliye tigarete koba nsemo ya Nyamira etigara asensemo ya Nyamira muliketo Brighton Makoli no roboti rwa senchera yobo ikirano
muganeti ntigana nabayi mutagete abayi bangose
ayo naramabori umugavana bwe county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati agendrete kuboria bamenyi be county ya Kisii anekero atheru natari gochigotiga esegi yaye yokurwani bokurumia se county ya Kisii
kibesa twanyore deni erororo bilioni 1.6 ekero twajiko tuyunguza tukanya kibesa towaka na chioka milioni 231
kuyakwana ayurero asewodi ya monyerero
n'abasadi n'abakungu bandi ebalenge gotamana 1.4 billion
nonye nabo nigateruna bari bakomochi na komogosereri buna nigago chikwenda senate rikwerera
bono bayiwe twakunya gonjuka nawo kwenda tule senate twaligirie senator airege kya chikobolia kuba debiga tige senator ire amadeni yobokora tingwakana
igo nigateruri bari bakomocha
bekole elia nanye debringa ki egendo gyoka genda court karumwa gendre court na into tobatebinga kinga kimuta korte a process mwanyora okolege ntekero
igoro yokobetwa chisindanirwa chia Setu ase county ya Kisii
chiomerero echi tokobete sindani esenge njugwa yoborwaire bwomonwa no bwegendo kye ne Chinsa nkune bitingiro chiombe chino tikachibetwe sindani kando necho embegu echanse kwenano ande natebire abantu bandi lazima bange ebintu biri mwango tenga twachire mubaracho twarwalira icyombe 200 ngoko bori muntu ki omonyine ngombe ningo muntu nde bwenzo kurwalira ngombe no enechi lazima tonyole elieta esa blockation EID aye ne cyombe
wigoni gaboliria abateneri ase ewisara ya mangana y'oboremi netugo ase county ya Kisii
orulero and my officers, the chief officer you are here, the minister you are here, these are warning mo any animal ngombe ndiosie kwa egwe lieme lazima tumaenga ndibwate ko sindikolete sababu ki etabwate. You must tell us the reason why. Elieme litakorete tabwate na litora boli umontolete elieme elieme kusena amachane musebona musengombe neliteba
asiriberera liorobebe rwakeroka
eseyere Nyamira na keroka gani abantu ba Nyamira n'abantu baito abantu ba Kisii n'abaito ntosuka yatuwa mwenga twasukire na Kisii twasukire mayi kibesa bago sangire lyali no boy bibuye ngabatoro kibesa basangire likonyora ingi bakoreire myaka yaete ndote banga ki boundary elierororo eliendege yaete tigoro egateba Kisii iga Nyamira nerego tigara koba
boigo gavana nigateruna serikali yaye nigo yabekire bene chibese nsemo ejuchkwena kibona nkwena na bali chipasari ase ewikeye
chibasari mtu ayenana chibasari echi ichuma ya mambia nalio aramise nkwena natole amajibu ye chibasari icho siipyo cheskuru kera omwana okoegwe basari chibese toto mago cheskuru
asense majikanisa jiri chikongai na bamenyi be county ya Kisii
sajiri okonyora chibwa tobokora nga abonkorwalia ekerema okuminga ekerema nkiriki bulitwa ekenyo oje ko tebingo korole miujiza morwali ekiano ene na egene tingna korek abwene tumaye kwegen
ripoti rigetaseni Ndizi TV eridariane Brighton Makori mbiya muno mulikito Brighton Makori asorobochirwa senchira yoboikira no mugavana otebere goikabarore ngombe yatwalire mbego na inde yanyoremo litali mangana gotigana na yibuno munchu mulikire tumurekera ngali abagao kolekane task force ya choro no murebense William Samoei Ruto elikonyara kumurekera mangana lengite chikanisa oborebwe chikanisa nokoro we chikanisa kobwatikana nega kolagia kolekana Samoei Shakahora se county ya Kilifi niko bagende utaraji county au aziri tukuliana niko bakoleta region ase county ya Kisii bakora no munyakiro we task force yumutava musimi niko basanga na barandi akura se county ya Kisii obono bagani umurebwense kunyara kumurekera kuboro kwemeremo aiga sense ya Kenya kalengana na abarandi kurase county ya Kisii somo gokolekana sense ya muchiti cha Kibita niko bate abuna abarandi abange niko bagende tukura chikanisa kubwatikana nokobora kwemeremo mulikito Josephati misi na mange
ekiumbe kikenyara kwa bagego chakiwa no muraibwense Dr. William Ruto iliyokwenekia unakenyera kwa bwekuringoria na kumanya bokorere bwechikanisa gikora wanere valente mutaba musimi itukoria lero nigo kenyera kwa bwekirana ime county ya Kisii anene ase amagacho hakibit.
We have been in Kisii County. We have had a very good reception, and the participation of the people of Kisii in this particular hall where we are has been splendid, has been very, very good. They have come in large numbers, and they are completely mixed. Different churches, different religions. We've had Christians, we've had Muslims, even had a representative of the traditional African religion. And then among the Christians, we have had very many different churches of the Christians and the umbrella bodies.
Ekirenga ekenene gikumbekyo no kwenekenge kenyere kwa gusangiriria anene birengereri bya babwatani be chikanisa elinde kwenekia buna obokoreri obuya bwanyere kwa bokorekana ase chikanisa enkwana yanyara kwa gusirwa amona baraya bange abanyara kwa gwikirana somo yegoyo.
As a society, not just the government, we as the people of Kenya, that's why we are here in Kisii. What can we do together to make sure that bad things don't happen in places of worship or to people who are praying?
Na mambo ya religion iendelee kuwa vizuri kama vile nchi zingine, na freedom of worship hatutaki iingiliwe, lakini tunataka iwe na mwelekeo mwema.
Tia bali banyara kwa bagwikirana somo yegabwiri tukoria rero nababwatani kuruchikanisa nabo igabateneneri abanyara kwa bakwenana birengere byabo ase abande batika kwa bakorekana bagote babune kanisa neganiri bosibole elinde nyara kwa bagikogendereria anene no bokoreri bwahe are amo no boteneni bwa serikali.
Ekanisa netegete gwethenera kuba regulated na serikali asengenjo ebintu mbira serikali tamanyete lakini kanisa nemaete igotutaete body ekusulikira kanisa yoka keka semete njira yo kale regulation yo Kenya na
serikali nebonete sababa Kenya ukwabira because serikali ne what it is on administrative structures kurumiji 10 mpaka wa chief na wa tuleti bono ekanisa nigiye kumedingana giye kubeke rumo sigo oshakaora asif shakaora mboga ndego toka Tanzania. This was administrative lapses and the government needs to take responsibility and apologize to the Kenyans.
Okoboro kwemeremo anene imensi ya Kenya ngati yebitango ebibye ireire chikanisa chinyingego chakiwa anene ime yense ya Kenya.
Mtu akisoma akikosa kazi anaweza anza kanisa juu kwa kanisa huku anapata pesa. Na pia president wetu aone kwamba ajira iko kwa watu wetu, watu wapate pesa ndio kwamba wasiende kuanzisha makanisa ili wapate pesa.
Kuripoti katika Ndizi TV kuri kaunti ya Kisii eliterana Josephat Hamisi.
Mbiya muno mulikito Josephat Hamisa sorobochu rwa senchire yoboye kiranugo tigana yibono mwancho muligirya abana boda ne kurwa sensemo ya Nyakoe nigo amochiro mu governor we county ya Kisii Police Mbarati asogote yabuna nigagendere tugotumeka bobe abisi yaye nabo gotumeka chinguru gaitani ya kerenga yango bwateka nabuna nigagendere tugotumya abana boda anene kurwa sensemo ya mosoche rikunyaro gusangirye bango egento batebire buna bagendere takwikele gendege ikomia asogote yabuna wana boda litukulegoro nigo bawuruze chipikipiki chiawe ichimo chetu gusiekurwa asabisi yabareba boda nsemo ya mosocho nigo bana boda obaragire kyaro mu governor we county ya Kisii asogote abune nseme gusangiriye bango tige uri bagaliya na tige gutumeka abana boda asoko nyaro gusangiriye bango na nsemo Nyakoe na bwego nseme ya mosocho mulikito Steven Ndemo norobocho ruo asenchera yobwikirano
ama tukabwango iga nigo musako motindo nyarire ko bagokoganderu kwene kivuna abana boda ime Kisii banyare ko bakuna che bangu yechistika nonye nabo gati abarundi akorwe bungi ya Kitutu chache South nigo beso kiria sekeliba mochirio moroberio gotumekwa kobana chistike chio
Bwana Simba Arati ochagere gotumeka abana boda bobe ekiagara bono otigire kanjo bali babonete ko sangiriye bango ya Kisii County osoire gotumeka boda leaders ba boda otonere bino into boda itukori igoro nigo bajete asejire ito ya Nyakoe ne stage chinde bali kubwata jipigi baire esabu county office mosocho
toko sabo mugabano ito Simba ndoko sigete nande ndogwanjete ndwagwagirite chikura ekiriterie ke gwatumegete yesterday ekiabete ke basengenja bayibimba ibeta abantu kibese omuntu okoruku boda arundi epigipigi no muntu kero muntu nabate stage yaye
Kevin Oviri ngati yabaraibe chipigipigi korwa Kitutu chache South oyuensemo yayo wegereiro muroberio bono bwoko na chachistika
STK tiambate babeke boronge nga STK etwebwana tena gabana STK abarai bagatebibwa baete kera chi stage kera chiko chi sub county bateye members babo banache stika asenjerere ngiya gavana itore neramo asoko na stika tumubwatise stika yuenachu ligere tonyora amagendero goche sub county yeito minus stika kendi gosinke yokera korekane koikatona che usuru ligere nyore ni kendi goseka tore na gavana ga tunyara complaint twanyoranga ebintu bya retru asobuya
muntu gwakwe fine 1000 fine ya 500 ntoma tinga chibese chichose chabete collected ne sub county chairman ncheigete ikiagare gorondwana cherutu chistika by force
nonye serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii kegenderetie kirenga kyo guikirania bango kurwa sector yo bosombi okuboria nigo kwaruru kwene kyo mochoko no kubwatira no kuyankoro asegangeye
chistika iga ndole tiari sana kunacha kuna bana boda buna twakana chire miaka yende kuchimbaega lakini problem tu atwarire abantu bagutumekwa ne county government ya Kisii nero yatusinyire nase kigaba nago cha gutumeka chiguruni chigo cha kutodai gaba go chukurwa ne chiro gaiga kwesara nsire bikae binge toigwana nebune chistika chigo cha konachwa lakini abatogo isaransa na bara nande barosie committee yabo nande bachaka
tima tinga ngiri kideli ke mwa ikaranse tense moga tegi mogo chikobeka abana boda boda bakurwani abana boda boda bande nandi kimubwate administration yoko sangereri ebango ndubwate sub county yetu ya Mosojo asoko ndwana chistika
akaro abantu bari binyu bagoja bake stage bakwana ne Germany aye guribaga akwanira abantu ba boda boda abantu banaje chistika ntumu na barundi chipikipiki ntole tiare onaje chistika ekero abanyene bago naje revenue bagoja gutaji bese tari abayudi gosaba bagakaba
akoro aiga na sense moye stage ya boda boda ya Nyakoya sete ya watani ba boda boda veso kina kuboria serikali ya county ya Kisii kwene kibuna omochoko ganeri konyara orego kubwati gu kwene kibuna ebange ganeri korwa sa watani ba boda boda stinsemo au ya nyarire ko bage kwena no century bwenerete ko reporter ya Ndizi TV korwa ensemo ya Nyakoe Bogeka ward kitu cha constituency eretariane Ndemo Steven
Mbiyamono mulikito Ndemo Steven asorobo churwa senchira yobekirano kurwase bunge ya kitutu chache South gotigana nayo nigwana abana abanyaroka kurwase skuru yoboroso ya Nyakohore gotoka se ward ya Kegoge ase bunge ya kitutu chache North asiri tukulia lero baba no mugoko maiga yoko bwate kure bitamba byo OBOCHENU kurwa ase kyombekya Honorable Joshua Nyarenchi Foundation ekigotoka se bunge ya senchira muyoko nyara gosira bana bekerekure bagendrete na masoma bokolengana bwata nabo nabatenebwe kembekini go bateberuna enenchere yamira nyari wikiraniyo mwana munyaroka kwandra na masoma ye muchandonde bwensiyo teyo ayaniga gocha magaye kembekiwe ko bwatokana ko bagakira abantu kinyomba anene asensemi yumulikito dipona sanya no robotirwo asenchera yo wikirano
Enchere ya moyo GOKINIA na gosemya mwana munyaroka no komwachinka kichingororo asogo tugutirare bitango byabere bikomogocha asa masomo OBOCHENU ngati yebinto ekeombe kya Honorable Joshua Nyangeji Foundation kiabeire kegosira asoko eno na ebitamba byo OBOCHENU asogosira chifamilia ao chiritali kwenyara boikeranu
Team Joshua Foundation ne foundation ibu support omwana oliole ase family vulnerable litukolia lero tuagokire skuru ya to welcome ribuya tuachire tuaira abana Chinyaruka Untitled Chapter
gukwana imeyo skuru yoboroso ya Nyakora primary nigorera bakoreta aro ya bene aso obokonyi gochia saba orokigwa abo barorekana no mogoko oywe banyara gochengera litukolia lero
nambia Joshua Nyarenchi Foundation kwa sema ni asante kwa kutusaidia sodo tatizo tunakumbana nazo. Tusipokuwa na soda tunakaa nyumbani kwa masiku 3 ndio tukuje shule tunasumbuka sana.
I appreciate Joshua Nyarenchi Foundation for giving us parts. I tell him to keep helping other students. Thank you.
Naboigo aboroki wali baiboire no borema yani people living with disability nigo banyara koinyorwa asoko nyorobo konyi bwabene obwe boranyara ko basegeta kogenderera asama somabo.
Na tuaire abana bali babwato borema ebikoroto na baro bache batachire bona siri tukuria lero abana be Chinyaruka mbanyara Untitled Chapter chiko bakonya na bara at least asa masomo abo babe bagusuka mutwe
gati yaywe mbanyara kurwa endagera buna omochere amo na mafuta gucia skuru eyubono abari mbanyara kokokero murobiri oyo iganyarire gochakiwa no Mosamaria omuya asoko basira anene mono abana bali bakurwa chifamily chianse batali kwenyara.
Tunawashukuru leo kwa kufika hapa shuleni Nyakora kwa kusaidia wanafunzi. Tunamshukuru yu Joshua Nyarenchi mwenye amekumbuka watoto wa Nyakora kuwasaidia. Tunaomba msaidie wengine pia, mfanye mazuri, Mungu atawasaidia.
We are appreciating Joshua Nyarenchi for the support he has given to our school, giving our girls sanitary towels, rice, shoes for the disabled, and cooking oil. That big heart that Joshua has shown to this school.
Komenta nayo mbasaba serikali kurigereria uchumi yense ya Kenya na gokeya amaguri yebitamba by'obochenu eri abayiboli bali bamenyete obogima bwanse banyare goikeria.
Serikali singe uchumi itugerembe na mapato y'abayiboli abange galinse ebitambo ibi abana Chinyaroka binyare guturumbo kiguri libe ligori omuyiboli ole insepyo konyara kwa ekolense aranyare konyora.
You find that they cannot afford even putting food on the table, so to buy sanitary towels for the girls is a big challenge, and because of that the child misses classes. We thank the Joshua Foundation for assisting our children, our girls. Now our girls will be still in school always, and this one will help in improving the performance of the school.
Kuripoti Kitaseni kia Ndizi TV korua se ward ya Kegogi Kitutu Chache North Constituency imeye county ya Kisii ilitalia Nendipon Asanya.
Miyamuno humurikito dipona sanya hasoro bochurwa senchere yoboye kirano muriki wekyombe kya Gusii governance washomus wasirecho tundo niga kwanirengana ya finance bill yegendrete koligeri sobo imekolengana na utundo niga teberuna finance bill nebante ko wokoboko enago itigwa kolena na iga boliri murai wenze kubwatira namo on committee yonsi konyara koligeri gati yebinto ilibono ibire byengenchom asense meyani gate berune keronge isata semye yokona jekwe meshahara ngati yebinto ibente koligeri sobo imena boigo ogoke wa kweligolia mauta ibiwete kumulikirwa so imase kolende abolirie ababunge kubwatsingane yona koetia finance bill
oyakuru kwa omweshimiwa Raeli Otundo Kisii County igonte tegoteba igoro ye finance bill ire bunge boni gegendete kuchadiliwa ntagite goteba nga ababunge baute bachadili parole what they can be able to adjust this branyali go adjust unabona mangana ya 3% ya TOT or turnover tax kigara chibase chire chinyinge sana ase abananchi bali abasinini nande nonye basugetu bakaiki 1 million bali bakon 1 million yeso mwaka. I think that is a lot of money babwente ko chikeya ke that is what I think. And on the other hand, balilina mangana maguta, that is sign to kire kiamana kabisa. But what I want to say, again the government bazimiyo bago kwara ngamba basubu finance bill, ntagete the finance bill wekete, ikiagera we need the budget. Ncherate iyo, nyendubu ati finance act, chiba ya sachira anyala ko bachigo tumeka chia serikali next financial year. Serikali batubu ati bachigo tumeka, so that means counties nchiko tuwara besa, schools nchiko tuwara besa, bantu bakuli misahara, then that means singa NCA gotenena. So for that reason, ondebwensi oleno eno mobunge na yogo etigaba watu wachadiliane, lakini at the end of the day by finance bill ya ine era gendere serikali nyale ko gendere busu. I am sure nga serikali te yo that go punish bantu bae. The reason why some of the taxes chairman is because the government is looking for money. Igara chibasa chichiko ba collected echisene chiwakana alone chance. Isa wakana alone chance ndogo tu arachibasa current expenditure ndogo tu arachibasa development. and for that reason we kabali kulira linga iba comment ni ya serikali te cross best chae serikali chibesa chae ninche naye nonde tokurwe tax chibesa na chicho serikali ebwate so we kelige another way yo cross chibesa chicho. So for that reason nitagete koteba after this me I believe ngango itwale a finance bill, and once that finance bill has passed abantu bakototebinga ko enda bara maandamano iwonde tekotebia bakenya ngatoko enda maandamano, we are not going to assist ourselves ikiagera maandamano atago change kende kiagera lichikori aedire no enda maandamano lichikori remains yo maandamano tago nyara kutokonya in any way gara turani magega because that means singa ntori go accept our problem because we got to accept the status yetu economy muno Kenya, and once we have accepted our status tumanyanga to sibeme chibi, and at the same time tokoromokia igokero Kenya konye ngentu kiriyo gokora na no mente kende yake omente yake gokoromokia, and at the end of the day tukifanya bidii namna hiyo tutajenga Kenya yetu. And so kini Kenya ya very buja ne chiwa skito kike na bego chakoba easier no subsidy go chibosio gocha gotoka chigu cushion aba Kenya ekero maybe price chim to chiachiri goro ekero banyorire ngamba bwate chibesa barakorere that kind of thing, because that is what I want to say. Bongo te abantu baito ba understanding a state story economy ndu achite ga development ne yaito, and that is why we are in this level, and therefore to accept it and we move forward.
Jidekane mirongo itatu isiko yorogongo rwagusi umwanchomo ligereliani gobono engana yoko murusia bisyo mokonyo mo governor cross county yase ya William Odora gendrete koleta liberali tinde anigago chama egayere goikabosi bwe senate bone committee bene ase bunge yesenate kunyara gukwane ngane yoma ega yokonyara komochigwa asama mocha berega kumubwatira ninto kirete kwa isiko kurwa ekeruge kyobo konyu mo governor ase county yase ya gati ya bwaterane tinga mono go tumeka bobe ABCIM na bwe go tumeka bobe chibesa chi county anene ase county yu ya siaya kone ngano mokonyo mo governor yukwegera boswe bunge ya senate William Odor ni gate abuna ni go bako mwaka isiko ase kunyara go tuberera ekene ekiagote barengete gukona igoro jobo tumeki bobe anene ase county yu ya siaya kone ngani gate biruna ni go bako momochia na tawacho mochandonsi ayu ako mwaka isiko kurwa sobore bwayo buno mokonyo mo governor ase county Yasiaya.
Jobs are being taken away from you. The county secretary, who is the county secretary for the whole of the county, has lost his job because he's from Alego. We will show evidence of him saying that. Yet the truth of the matter, and that witness will come before you, Mr. Chairman and members, will show you that the individual concerned was also in shock because he had voluntarily chosen to resign from his position and even gave a further date for that resignation to take effect. Then when he could not find more people from Alego to blame, he decides to turn his own officer to state, I am being disciplined because I am from Alego. An officer who is being disciplined for engaging in criminal acts of assault and is still undergoing a disciplinary process through the county, independent of any role that is done in the deputy governor's office. We will show you all that was just part of public incitement against the people of Alego. We will need evidence to show you that at the end of all this, taking into totality of this kind of conduct, would it be fair within the framework of our constitution to maintain a deputy governor who is causing division, disunity, and disharmony amongst the various clans of the county? We will demonstrate that that is contrary to the Article 174 of the Constitution on the objects of devolution. We must be united in our diversity.
Na gotigara boigo ime yebunge ye senate omwaziri w'oboncheria Moses Kuria na erito goliano na ikirana ase senate iri konyara ko eraso bwagale emerubiri abegete aiga sense ya Kenya ko neke no boncheria ngo kolekana burase enchere bwanete kuri gukona abosi bwe senate aserizo golia lero negate abune wizara ya nechi ko neke bunango kinira uchumi anaso konyara gukinio boncheria kubwatana mune Chinsa chinda anane akone kibuna basaba kabayo ngwe kini bara sense melia yoboncheria.
progressed outside the public procurement and asset disposal framework with proper financing and accounting procedures put in place. And this, Mr. Speaker, is recognizing that KNTC is a commercial organization that survives on trading, getting the best offers and suppliers from the market, selling at the best price, and does not receive any funding from the exchequer for that purpose. So the procedure runs as follows. 1, in accordance with the timelines indicated by the clients, the manager of the sales division raises and signs appropriate purchase requisitions to initiate the procurement process. B, the manager sales division, with the support of the supply chain division, shall at the same time prepare specifications for the items to be procured. The experts in the department then
na chinga kicha sekera yuiga genrete imeye bunge ye senator ni go obono obomoboli bwazimio 1 Kenya basoka kurwa ase bunge ye senator maiga jomo senator we county ya Nairobi Edwin Sifuna kogania omo waziri wobonchoria Moses Kuria konyara koireneria engana betega komochia getesenia kamo kyobura ya gasense ya Kenya. Sifuna ni gagania omo waziri oyanyare koireneria na goteba na sekia rokante komochia getesenia kia kamo kyobura ya ase kolende omonogeri bwe bunge yuye senator Mason Kinge aroka na gutugutirare ngana ya Sifuna igento kiaga chia abwata na bago na basenata bali bazimio gosoka kurwa se bunge senate na gotige ebikarebyo witali kogendera.
Notice, if the speaker rules that it's inadmissible, then the matter ends there. Now, as far as I'm concerned, I have not seen the proposed motion that Senator Sifuna has submitted on. And therefore, having not seen this proposed motion, it cannot be a subject of discussion on the floor of the House today. Even assuming that the proposed motion has been submitted to the office of the Speaker. Even then, because two things may happen when it's submitted to the office of the Speaker. It may be admissible, it may not be admissible. So what we are doing is we're anticipating debate, contrary to Standing Order 99 of our standing orders. I therefore rule that Senator Sifuna, indeed you're out of order because your argument breaches Standing Order 99 in that you're anticipating debate of a proposed motion. I will therefore allow the Cabinet Secretary to proceed.
Na bono aba senator kurwa somoli bwazimio 1 Kenya ni kwa muchiro murebense William Samuel Ruto asogota murusi abisi omwaziri wobonchoria Moses Kuria kubwatikana ne chinkwana cha yabaga kubwatoka matuka maka etire na omaiga yogokone ngane yo asensemo ye bunge ye senate ni go aba senator abo abage chigune ngane yo asabaru enkwana yabo na kogonyo murebense kunyara ko moteneni na ko mwaka isiko omwaziri teneta mangana obonchire na murebense asentunde ni go baiga kwanire asabaga koigerera omosena asabaga koigerera omwaziri Moses Kuria asenkwana asekolende aba omobolio somoboli bwazimio bagendete kwe murungania asabaga niri Moses Kuria wakwisiko kurwase mirimo yaye ande buno mwaziri wobonchereria.
I want to say that for me, I thought the president should have sacked Moses Kuria long time ago as a CS. I think the ethics and integrity chapter of the Constitution of Kenya has been violated because Kuria Moses has no respect for himself, he has no respect for institutions, he has no respect for this country, and the best thing the president can do before he steps down is to sack him.
kama nchi Kenya tumetoka mbali sana kufika pale tulipo kupata uhuru na demokrasia. Na hii serikali ambayo imekuja ya Kenya Kwanza inakuja kuturegesha nyuma wakati wa giza, na hiyo ndio tunakataa. Na tunaomba na nyinyi waandishi wa habari pia mukatae kabisa kuregeshwa nyuma wakati wa ukoloni, wakati wa giza, kwa sababu hii serikali inaonekana si serikali ambayo imekuja kusaidia nchi wala kupeleka nchi mbele. Ni serikali imekuja kugandamiza wananchi, kuturegesha nyuma wakati wa utumwa. Na hiyo tumekataa na tunaomba tukatae pamoja. Asanteni.
I want to show you this motion. It was filed on the 19th of June. So for the speaker to pretend that this matter is not live before the Senate is to be disingenuous. Secondly, on this particular issue of sittings in the morning where cabinet secretaries are allowed into our chamber, we as a minority side, all the senators you see here, filed a case in court. In fact, that matter is now awaiting judgment. And that is the reason why we have taken a position that if you want to bring cabinet secretaries to the floor of the House, you must amend the constitution, not amending the statute.
Na nigo koraga nege kurogo tindi kwa watu kirego chia sisinya getari au ichibono chigenre chukrania mangano bukurumi ana sensemelia yogotumie kadi ya NHIF kolengana no mwaziri oteneta mangano yobochenu sana kumincho ni gate rumna chinya getari chirato kichikrania mangana yobokurumi ana sogotumie kadi ya NHIF nigo chira sigo sie kwa limu lyoka asiri sokolia lerenya getari ya jakimu gotoka se county ya Meru nigo yasigwa kubwatakana no gotumeke kadi ya NHIF base ya rokane ukuru mwabanto aso gotumeke kadi yu ya NHIF asaboneke kurege tindikia ruru kochase chinya getari chonsi magenya getari yo ya Jakimwa ye county ya Meru gosiekwa.
It is unfortunate that our facility has been linked with this matter. And I want to tell our clients that we are sorry because we are not offering services as per the directives from the government. Investigations from relevant authorities are already taken this matter, and we are now waiting for them to advise us.
Tumeashiriwa vizuri kabisa, hakuna sinda. Mimi hakuna sinda nimeona hapo kabisa. Kwa wale wote tulikuwa nao tumetoka vizuri sana.
Kama iko wizi inaenda kotini, koti inaendelea na case after case kuisha, alafu inaendelea inafanya investigation ipenyeke ni nini mbaya, kama ni hospitali mbaya ama ni wale wanatuma mambo kama hayo mbaya.
Tafadhali, kwa sababu kuna watu wengi wale wanakula hapa hospitali karibu 260 hapo. Naomba hata kama ni issue imekuja bandale tupungiwe hii hospitali, tafadhali tupunguliwe.
Yekiumbe gyoko bwatoka mesara SRC gotugutayaroko ni akwa MCA asa wa MCA baganete komento kiro mo shilingi chiribo 10 ni gobono aba MCA kurase county ya wazinigisho batuguterare ebikaro byabase bunge na goteyabuna go ikikiumbe kikinyare ko tegerero ni kwabona komento chibesa shilingi chiribo 10 antaribo mbali ko endra nebikaro ase county anigago chamaga yekembe kote abuna besanchio bana mwa MCA baguchi komentwa na nabonige bikaribono byanyare bikotenaniwa wikasenga ki etamanyerere.
We are very optimistic that SRC will listen to the request from the members so that we can continue to discharge our duties to this county and to all the other counties in the country.
Hiyo yule tunapiga msasa hapa anapata kukaribia shilingi 1,300 na yule alimpiga msasa anapewa tu shilingi 86,000. Je, hii ni ungwana na ni haki?
I think last week there was a proposal by SRC to increase the salaries of honorable members by 10,000 Kenya shillings. And you know, these are Zanka Soma, the honorable members, that for the last almost 8 to 10 years, there was no increment for the members of county assembly. And increasing by mere 10,000 is
Monchumulikire bono inyora nigo gendete gotengera Ndizi TV obwansu bomugusi na mangeto akwaliganeti oinyore bona ekina keleke bwateraneti oyore omorandi akurwa sensemeli ya Vincent ya shaka hora Paul Mackenzie nigo bona nda sentune digekira nase kambiri tokoli yale no nabo nigo bono oyomo asale bekire byara ababa osaba kagusirio uguma bwaje maiga yoko basensemo ye kigambiro nabo igasoko baseru mande asebono abakao kana bunatali kuli kende gyonsi maiga yoko bwatu kona bakagiro bali baba ko bwatu hagati ya Paul Mackenzie no mungino ye amana bakagiro bande igobono yo masiri kumabwaje asebono konye arase chera asebono ate banatali kuli kende gyonsi asasiri kumabwaje babere boigo nigo barasenya getali bagenda tukora obumabwabo banyamaga na barubuko kana buna mbali kuli ya kendo gyonsi yo muniga kule babere nigo bagenda tukura ndo obumabwabo so kana mbali koli ndagerende yonsi mwanchumuligereria gwikirabu nonka yakiro musmali mangana majase nchire yobo ikira numbya mona sogo chara gotengera Ndizi TV obwanso mugusia semargo yabana Chinsa Isato chia bono botuko litwali ko bwatera nere gwetera somono wimanyirerio igakoroko Joshua Auta ikira kali Petro ne mokira ene kibuna chibi chamunere gwicha gwikira senchire yobo ikira ntomera lituko lijo manenda SMS ya mangana mayabu na botambe twaro botuko biretera nenche nkoroko Vincent Onyancha.